Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of domain server on Suno. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Suno app and you will enter here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.